Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, Toiletterian. I try to bring you fragrances that are usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. They are good value for money, they smell good, and I think you should at least do your research. Try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So today I have an unboxing and update for you, and this is an update for I'm Not a Good Boy by the name is quite difficult. Nazareno Gabrielli. Nazareno Gabrielli Eau de Toilette, and this is I'm Not a Good Boy 100 ml. So I unboxed this a few days ago and I wore it a couple of days. The update is similar to what I said in the unboxing, which is very youthful, very modern, very trendy, opens up very nice citruses and bright and very fruity and very grassy. But that grassiness, after 15-20 minutes, it will subside and it will take over by Dior Sauvage. Yes, so this is in the beginning doesn't smell that much like the Dior Sauvage because of that grassiness, but when the grassiness go away, and then the Dior Sauvage will take over and it will stay till end of the fragrance. So this is another clone or copy or alternative for Dior Sauvage, and for under £20 for 100 ml EDT, I think it's worth it if you like Dior Sauvage. As I said before, this is very youthful. It's for young people. For somebody like me, I like them a little bit more sophisticated. So this one, I like it, but I'm not crazy about it. Okay, and I'll leave in the description where you can find it for the cheapest, hopefully. But don't forget, as I said, this is quite youthful. Okay, and also the performance is medium or a little bit less than average, around 5 to 6 hours with an hour of good projection. So it's not a big performer, but if you like Dior Sauvage, if you don't want to pay the price for that, this is a good alternative. And that's all about it really, and the only good thing about it is only 15 quid. And if you like Dior Sauvage, this might be up your alley. Okay, let's go to the unboxing today. And the unboxing of this one is the house of Mambuzan. And House of Mambuzan, or the brand of Mambuzan, is very famous for making jewelries. Okay, so these are similar to the house of Van Cleef and Arpels, and also Lalique. These are jewelry makers, their main job, and also Chopard. So these four brands, this one, Mauboussin, Chopard, Van Cleef and Arpels, Lalique, and I'm sure there are a few other ones which I can't remember now. These are mainly jewelry makers. Some of them, they make other stuff like statues, like home basically decors and things like that. Okay, but their main purpose, their main job is jewelry. And I had few Mambuzan before, and they are very good. So basically, attention to details is there because they are jewelry makers. When they make perfume or they ask somebody to make a perfume for them, they go for a good perfumery. Okay, so as you can see, box is simple. This one is called Mambuzan Discovery, and this is just came out a few weeks ago. I don't know anything about it. There's no review on it, so let's see how it goes. So it's 100 ml EDP Eau de Perfume, and it goes for under £30. Again, I'll leave it in the description if you're interested to check it out, to do your research. I'm not affiliated, I don't get anything out of it, just for your convenience. I paid for these myself. Okay, let's go. Sorry about the noise. So as you can see, the box is very simple, nothing to brag about, but it does the job perfectly, which is protecting the bottle. And the bottle is a typical Mambuzan bottle. Most of their fragrances, it comes in this format, which is quite nice, but sometimes they are a bit of handful. So very, very nice design. It's like a tower or some sort of gemstone. I think they're going for gemstone, like faceted diamond or something like that. Anyway, in that vein. Okay, overall is not bad. I like their designs. As I said, sometimes they are a handful. This one's quite easy. So the cap is plastic, and as you can see, the atomizer. And then let's go for the very good atomizer. Again, attention to details is good because there are jewelry makers. So how is, oh, filling the room already. Okay, how is the Mambuzan discovery? So as I said, this came out a few weeks ago. I don't know anything about it. Let's go. So how is the first impression? Oh dear, oh dear. Yes. Okay, so this one is another copy, interpretation, alternative, inspired by the King Creed Aventus, which I love. Anyway, I love that DNA. I'm not going to complain. But as we know, House of, or the brand Mambuzan, they do their stuff properly. So let's see. Yeah, very good quality. So the quality is there. It's very nice quality, especially for the money, under £30 for 100 ml EDP. That is a good price. Yeah, so it is basically Creed Aventus, quite fruity at the moment, quite woody, a little bit of sweetness there. And this one doesn't have, at least now for the beginning, it doesn't have that much smokiness in it. No, at the moment there's not much smokiness, very tiny bit of that woody smoky basically facet. But at the moment it's very fruity, it's very dominated by bergamot. The bergamot is big in the beginning, and it's got a little bit of the other fruits like pineapple, like blackcurrant. Yeah, so it's dominated by these fruits at the moment, and also the woody backbone is there. But again, this is another youthful. If you like the Creed Aventus DNA and you don't want to pay the price, which is ridiculously high, about £300, this is a very, very good alternative, or very good copy, or very good clone of that one. As we all know, Creed Aventus doesn't have an age, so this is ageless. Doesn't have occasions. This is, you can wear it anywhere. And also any season, but usually people say it's better for warmer weather. But I wear the copies of Creed Aventus anytime I like, and I enjoy it in many occasions and in many weather and many seasons and things like that. So it's like we didn't have enough Creed Aventus copies and another one came along. Yeah, but it's a good quality. So the quality is there, it's nice, it's pretty, it's very fruity at the moment. And again, in a few days time, I'll let you know the performance and the development and things like that. But these two, if you are a young person, say under 25, and you don't basically have the means to buy what they represent, which is this one, Dior Sauvage, and in this one is Creed Aventus, and you want to smell good, but you want to smell you know, very nice, and you don't want to pay the huge tickets, the price tag. These are very, very good for what they do. Okay guys, I hope that was informative. I hope you like this video. If you find it useful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe for future videos, share it between your friends and other people. This way you'll help me to expand my channel, and that would be very nice. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye bye bye.